Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the best gift for this coming holiday season. It's Christmas time and it's time for giving. And what could be the most perfect gift that you can give to your loved ones? So I just received this package from Amazon, which I ordered about 2 days ago. And here it is. It's not too big. It's like a size of a cell phone. So that is how it looks like. It's a Pivo. It's manufactured by Pivo. So this is Pivo Pad Silver Remote Bundle. So this is how it looks like. How they use this device. It's actually a remote. It's a remote panel that you can attach your cell phone, and it will follow you whenever you go. So this is perfect for when you're alone and you don't have anyone to hold hold the camera for you. So we're going to open up and see what's inside. Okay. So here we have this one. Another nut here. So it's made in, of course, it's made in China. Designed by Pivo, Incorporated, California. So it's designed in the USA, made in China. So this is how it looks like. So I have here the cell phone. That's it. Okay. So what's more in here? Okay, so I was able to remove this cover, and what we found out here is, I believe this is the warranty or this is the, yeah, it's the manual how to set it up. That's it. Oh, there's a charging cable. So we have this charging cable. Expectedly it's USB. Cable. It's a micro USB. There's one more here. What's this? Oh, it's the remote control. So let's put this aside. That one. That one. That one. Okay, set this aside. So this is what comes out of the box of the silver Pivo Pad Silver. So this is all we've got. The Pivo itself, remote controller, and a USB charger, and of course a manual to come with the gadgets. So this is how everything is here, the instruction how to set it up. So basically it looks like it's very handy. It's not that heavy, and the made is a little bit it's plastic, but it looks like it is made of high quality plastic material. Plastic here, yeah, it's almost everything is plastic, but it's very high quality. So this is comes with this I believe this is 1/4 inch standard thread for a tripod or any kind of holder. So based on this picture alone, you can see that to mount the cell phone, so you have the cell phone. Oh, I see. So if I'm going to put my cell phone here, it's a little bit wide. So it looks like this one is going to adjust the width of these heads to hold the cell phone. There you go. The good thing about this is we have this leveler that allows you to center this Pivo remote panel. So that's it. So I'm going to charge first this Pivo, and we'll come back to this later. So let it charge for maybe an hour or until it's fully charged. So it's still red, so it's charging. So now this is the remote. Before you're going to use this remote controller, you can just pull this plastic, and it will, the battery inside will make in contact with the electronic circuit to power this remote controller. So I'm just going to open this one and let's see what's inside. It's kind of, there you go. So this remote controller is ready to use. I'm just going to put this cover back, but of course you don't need to remove this cover. I just opened it up to show you what's inside. So this is now ready to go. Okay, so it looks like it's fully charged. Now I can use it. Okay, so this Pivo, there's a stabilizer over here on the sides. So what happened is it looks like a tripod. If you sit it up like this, it's more stabilized. Let's turn this on. Yeah, it's ready to use. So that's the unboxing of this Pivo bundle. So I just turned it on. Now it's flashing blue. So I just need to pair it with my cell phone and then bring up the apps. There you go. Just make sure that it's sitting in the middle. Tie this one here, the back, then connect. Then let's do some adjustment here. Wow, look at that. Now it's working. See? So what happened is I have this controller here, and I can make it slow. Slower. The arrow pointing down is too slow. But the arrow pointing up is to make it faster. Look at that, it's too fast. Hey! So I think this is the best gift that you can give to your loved ones this holiday season. So almost everybody has their own cell phone, and if you have these gadgets, then it makes your life even better. You can have fun, you can dance like this. Hey, 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 here, dance, dance. There you go. Even if I do here. So accordingly, it has a range of about 50 feet distance, so it's substantial. You can go to the other side of the room, but right now it's only just 1, 2, 3, maybe just 4 feet. But this is good enough if you're just doing your vlogging. There you go. Okay, so I'm recording now. Hey, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, here. I'll make it faster. Oh, the reaction is a bit. That's good enough.